This is elevator A12P somewhere at Terminal A East at Philadelphia International Airport, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So probably Montgomery elevator, but it doesn't look quite like a Montgomery. A12P with EPCO Armstrong plus textures. I have no idea where this goes. Ground. It's hot in here. Here we go. I think this is modded. I think this was originally Montgomery. Ground. Oh, what's this? It doesn't look public. Back up to 1. Basic cab. That beep's kind of annoying. It's LED spotlighting. Here, back up 1. That's gonna be it.